Hey, have you checked out evansperks.com yet? Since you're a student, you get access to over $22,000 in exclusive business tools and software discounts. If you want to redeem any of the 120 discounts, just go to Lecture 2 in your course and grab your secret code in the resource section. There should be a PDF titled Evans Perks Code.
Hey guys, welcome to the first actual lecture of the course. Okay, so in this lecture, we're going to learn why is it important for a wannabe programmer like yourself, or someone who just wants to be able to communicate with developers. Why is it important to care about computers? And we're going to cover some of the basics of how those computer happy little boxes work. Here's the thing about computers and programming. Everyone uses computers all of the time, but hardly anyone knows what's actually happening under the hood and inside that actual contraption you're touching right now. The average person just goes from Facebook to Outlook on their computer to WhatsApp on their phone to calling an Uber on their Apple Watch, and it's all really kind of the same to them. Calling an Uber actually with one click of a button is the only reason why you should ever buy an Apple Watch, by the way. Anyway, typically people just do not understand how these work, and then at the same time you hear about how there are hundreds of thousands of vacant programming jobs, or how that guy that you went to school with that had a beard when he was 10 got a programming job and now makes something like $200,000 a year. But trying to learn how to program or communicate with programmers without understanding how computers basically work, it's kind of like just trying to design the interior of a car if you didn't even know what a car was. Or for the art students out there, it's like trying to paint on a canvas when you don't even have the slightest idea what a canvas is. FYI, it's that Tarpy thing. How exactly are you going to build, let's say, a desktop Python app that runs continuously if you have no idea what random access memory is, also known as a RAM, that thing that allows your application to run continuously without freezing? Or what if, let's say, you're making a hybrid app,
I got myself a Prius
that runs on both your Android phone and your iOS phone. Why you have both, I don't know. And it suddenly stops working for one of them, and you don't know how to fix it. Why? Because you probably don't know what machine code is. So that's why we're going to take some time in this first section to start from the very, 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 very beginning. And also, it's just amazing how little people actually know about their computers. I would not be surprised if you learned something. For instance, if I asked you whether or not you knew how to partition your hard drive by accessing your BIOS and your head exploded, yeah, I'm actually talking about you, the person with the exploded head. After all, we don't want you to live your entire life with a very, very dirty secret, which is that you can program or you work in tech, but you don't know how a computer works. So that's the why. The next lecture, we'll get into the what. See you then.